Good afternoon, myself Akash Mitra. Today I am going to make another video of deletion of an element from an array. Suppose here I have declared size, means within this size my number of elements should be suppose 4, and elements are, let's take 1 2 3 4. Then I want to delete from here 2, then it will become 1 3 4. Means if suppose I have resized the size of an array if 4, then after deletion the new size will be 3, 1 2 3, that way. Okay, so before explaining this code, the deletion of an element from an array, let's first check whether it is perfectly running or not. Okay, suppose I have this also I have done in an infinite loop, so multiple times I don't need to rerun this code. By choosing an option yes or no, I can point my statement what I want to do, whether I want to proceed or I want to exit. Let's the size of an array is 4, then the elements, let's take 3 4. Okay, now the garbage value of position of size n equals to 4, because as you already know it's always starts from 0. This is the 0th position, 1st position, 2nd position, 3rd position, 0 to n minus 1. Then the 4th position means here is contain any garbage value where I have assigned nothing. For 5 also, in 5 also it contains some garbage value, any random values where the variable I have declared, the array I have declared, and within that size here, I have mentioned the size also. Means from 0 to 10, means everywhere garbage values are present until or unless I put or assign some values inside the array index, inside array based on their indexes. Okay, why I have done this thing, it will be more clear in further. So enter the position or index of an array, means the position means 0 1 2 3, from where I want to delete the element, from which position I want to delete the element. So suppose from position 1, then 2 will be deleted. These are the steps, the ways it's get deleted, and ultimately the result become 1 3 4. Okay, so then I have done it in exit control, infinite loop, means do while loop. If else no, means else n, then yes. Okay, again I am doing 5, let's take 1 2 3 4 5. From position 2, means the 3 will be deleted. Watch, it is happening now. If I press n, then I get out of this exit control loop and terminates the program. Return 0 value for this case. Okay, this is my do while exit control loop, and these are the conditions if ci is equals to this and all. Now let's get started to our main code. First of all, this is a header file stdio.h. This is the main function inside where only we can run our C code. Otherwise, in other than main function, we know just the code get compiled but don't run. Okay, then these are the variable declarations. Position from where I wanted to delete, variable declaration, array declaration only can store integer type data only, character means for choice purpose declaration. This is do while exit control while loop, control while exit control, infinite loop, or iteration. Enter the size of an array, then enter the elements in an array. Here scanf function, after each I can enter the elements, then displaying the elements in an array. Okay, suppose now let's take, as it always goes, we already know, watch it carefully, from 0 to n minus 1 is the actual length, and I equals to n means I have assigned nothing in nth position. I have assigned up to 0 to n minus 1 position. So in n position definitely there will be some garbage value. So I have just printed here some garbage value in that array I. Because why I have written here I? Because after the final incrementation, when I equals to n, this condition become false and get out of this iteration, and then I equals to n become assigned. Okay, then our main code starts from here. Enter the position or index of an array whose element is to be deleted and reduce the size of an array, and hence reduce the size of an array, means n equals to n minus 1. That's it. This is the user input. Take the position. This is the address operator, conversion specifier, and the address operator just locate the position variable, memory allocation, storage. That's it. Then here I equals to position. I initialized with position. I starts from pos. Then it will go up to I equals to n minus 1, and this is the incrementation part. When I equals to position, here in comment way I am explaining. When I equals to position, suppose 1 2 3 4 array, suppose the position is I equals to 1, then it will occur as I 3 3 4. Here assigning I equals to array I plus 1. If it is position 1, then I plus 1 means 1 plus 1 2. This value will be assigned here. Okay, that way it get printed here all the arrays I 1 3 3 4. Then after that incrementation, when I becomes equals to after position plus 1 2, then it will become 1 3 4, and this is as it is, and then again this line get printed. Wait a minute. Okay, then again this will be printed here 1 3 4 4. Then when it comes to the n minus 1 means that this position, then it becomes nothing. Then it becomes 1 3 4. This will be assigned with some garbage values here stored 8 or anything. Same, anything, any random value will be stored in that variable allocated memory if I declared but not assigned anything, like 8 minus 1, anything. These are 8 is the garbage value. Here the garbage value will be stored. To get rid of it, user not defined garbage value, I have just done here n minus n equals to n minus 1. Then the size gets reduced and size becomes n equals to n minus 1. Then after the deletion of an array, I have done nothing, just printed this. Okay, and how? Okay, I am going to discuss it in my next deletion video. Okay, go and check that out.